Aleta. So today I am going to do a street interview with students at FEBUB. FEBUB. So let's go. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. So right now I am doing a street interview with students at FEBUB. And
Okay.
would it be okay if I ask you a few questions?
Okay, have fun.
Okay. So, first of all, can you tell me your name and what major you are in?
Okay, I am Rafida Zenia Putri, and I'm from accounting.
Okay, nice to meet you, Zania. So, can you tell me your reason for picking UB as your college right now?
Okay, actually, Brawijaya is my second choice because before that, I reject from that one university, and why I chose Brawijaya because the city, the locate of the university is not that far from my home, and actually, I think Malang it will be nice to me. I mean, for living in Malang, it will be nice to me comparing to other city in East Java.
And then, what made you choose Faculty of Economics and Business as your faculty?
I think Faculty of Economic and Business is one of the faculty that have a big opportunity in the future. And plus, I'm a accounting student, so I'm economic and business student too.
And lastly, how would you describe your overall experience of being an accounting student at FEBUB?
Experience. First, I feel like a little bit struggle because for the subject and for the environment in here, it was feels new to me, but overall I feel happy.
That's nice to know. And thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate your answers and hope you have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aleta. So today I am going to do a street interview at FEBUB. So let's go. Sorry to bother you. So right now I am doing a street interview at FEBUB. Is it okay if I ask you a few questions? Okay, so first can you tell me your name and your major?
Hi, my name Erina Dwi Cahyani and I'm from accounting.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Erina. So, first question is why did you choose UB as your college?
Because UB has a good reputation in Malang.
Right. And then why did you choose FEB as your faculty?
Because FEB help the students to improve their skill, leadership and networking.
Networking, right? And then you said you are from accounting.
Yes.
And why did you choose accounting?
I choose accounting because I like working with numbers.
Okay. And then as we know, FEB UB is one of the faculty at Universitas Brawijaya that has a nice building. So, is there any facilities or infrastructure at FEB that you find impressive?
Yes, like SAC, Creative Lounge. It's comfortable to study.
And then, last question. How would you describe your overall experience of being an accounting student at FEBUB?
I met a lot friends. I met a lot with friends,
Yeah.
and it has been fun.
Nice to hear that. So, thank you so much for your time, and I really appreciate that. Have a great day.
Yes, thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Andara Kesha Febriani. Today I'm gonna do street interview with Brawijaya University student. So let's go. Hi. Excuse me, may I take a few minutes of your time?
Yes.
Now I'm doing a street interview with Brawijaya University students. You know their academic journey are campus experience in here. Would it be okay if I ask you a few questions?
Yes, of course.
Okay. First of all, may I know your name and your major?
Hello, my name is Dea. I'm from Faculty of Economy and Business, especially accounting major.
Okay. So my first question is, why did you choose this university?
So actually, I chose this university with the blessing of my parents. They suggest me to choose this university because it is still same location with the province. Beyond that, I personally interested in Brawijaya University due to good reputation and high academic quality. The campus environment is very support to personal growth and self-development. Plus, as far as I know, this university include in top 10 best PTN in Indonesia.
Yes, you're right. And why did you choose the Faculty of Economic and Business?
Uh, so I choose this faculty because the focus of study I'm interested in fall under this faculty, and I personally want to know deeply about area related with business and economic activity. So I choose this faculty as a bridge for me to grow to knowledge and fundamental understanding about it.
Okay. Oh yeah, as I know before, you are accounting student, right?
Yes.
So why did you choose accounting as your major?
Uh, I personally have strong interest and better understanding with the subject focus on number or number analyze. So I feel it's a right choice. And then this major linear with the focus of study I put in high school. And I feel this major offers weight to career opportunity and promising future.
Okay. As we brought at FEBUB, do you find any facility or infrastructure that you find impressive in here?
Maybe if facilities I choose ULKPKS.
Oh,
This,
that's it.
yes, ULKPKS because it shows that Faculty of Economy and Business care about the studies. And then infrastructure I choose SAC because it provides comfort space for students to study.
Okay. So, last question is, how would you describe the overall experience of being an accounting student at FEBUB?
For almost one semester being part of accounting student, I feel that is righteous because in here I found a lot of new understanding and knowledge about my future career.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time and answer, Dea. Have a nice day.
Yes,
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, are you an accounting student?
Yes.
Can I have your permission to get an interview for my project in English classes?
Okay, sure.
First question, why did you choose Brawijaya University? First question is, why did you choose Brawijaya University other than any university?
I choose this university because it's one of the top 10, and when I see the alumni, it's like they go to a lot of good companies, so I feel like this is a good university for me.
Okay, the second question, why did you choose the Faculty of Economic and Business?
From what I know before I got here, this faculty have the best, like the facilities is really good, so I think that's why I choose this university.
And why did you choose accounting for your major?
For accounting, actually my brother and my sister have already been in this major, so that's why I feel like this is really interesting, and I want to go to this major too.
Okay, and what facilities and infrastructure at FEB do you find impressive?
For infrastructure, I think it's like the study room. Like I think FEB have like a lot of study room, and I think that's really helpful for me personally. And like there's the room, so I think that's helpful for us to study with our friends or just by myself. It's like a really good.
Okay, and the last question is, how would you describe the overall experience of being an accounting student at FEBUB?
For overall experience, I think because I'm not from the social, I'm from science major before I got here, so I think it's a little tiring, and I really have to study a lot. But I think the tiring is really make me grow, and I think that this is good for me and for my future.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Sorry if it takes a long time.
Okay.
Tiga.
Thank you.
Can I ask you a few questions for my English project?
Oh, sure.
Uh, one, one question. Question one. Why did you choose Brawijaya University?
Because UB has a strong academic reputation in Indonesia.
My next question. Why did you choose the Faculty of Economics and Business?
Because I think FEB is have quality programs, active development, and wide career opportunities.
Next question. What? Why did you choose accounting as your major?
Because I'm interested in finance. Like
Okay, next question. What facilities and infrastructure at FEB do you find impressive?
maybe the modern classroom, the library, and maybe the comfortable study space.
Last question. How would you describe the overall experience of being accounting student at FEB?
At first, maybe that was challenging, but rewarding that I get is I get a rich in learning, and then a supportive peers and many opportunities for growth. Maybe.
Thank you for hello. May I ask you a bit of question for my English project?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I want to ask, why did you choose Brawijaya University?
Aku pilih Universitas Brawijaya itu karena dari dulu aku memang mau masuk sini, jadi salah satu impian aku, cita-cita impian aku dari kecil.
And then, why did you choose the Faculty of Economics and Business?
Aku pilih FEB itu karena prospek kerja, jurusan-jurusan di FEB itu prospek kerja luas banget ya. Jadi kayak dari IPA tuh tetap bisa ke situ dan prospeknya lebih luas lagi. Dan aku juga disuruh orang tua aku sih.
Okay. And then, why did you choose accounting as your major?
Karena accounting tuh bagus banget ya. Dan di Universitas Brawijaya itu accountingnya salah satu yang bagus juga. Jadi aku pilih ini juga sih.
Okay. And then, what facilities and infrastructure of FEB do you find impressive?
Menurut aku SAC sih. SAC tuh bagus banget perpustakaannya. Jadi buat belajar fokus, kayak nyaman banget buat belajar.
And then the final question. How would you describe the overall experience of being an accounting student at FEB?
Bagus, keren. Terus itu apa ya? Kayak beda deh dari yang lainnya kalau aku lihat gitu dari TikTok.
Okay, thank you so much
Yeah,
for
sama-sama.
answering my question.
You're welcome.
Can I ask you a few questions for my English project?
Oh yes.
Let me introduce myself. I am Ahmad Malik. What's your name?
My name is Cornelis Abeli.
First question. Why did you choose Brawijaya University?
I chose Brawijaya University because I like the place and it's located in Malang and the living cost is very cheap here.
Next question. Why did you choose the Faculty of Economics and Business?
I chose it because it is one of the best faculty here and I very like economics.
Next question. Why did you choose accounting as your major?
When I was in high school, I got accounting as one of my lessons and I really like it.
Next question. What facilities and infrastructure at FEB do you find impressive?
I think the classroom here is very supportive for studying and I really like it.
Next question. How would you describe the overall experience of being an accounting student at FEB?
I think it's very good because the teacher here is very competent and passionate about their job and as I said before, the classroom here is very supportive. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Andar Febriani. Today I'm gonna do a street interview with Brawijaya University student. So let's go. Hi, excuse me. May I take a few minutes of your time? now I'm doing a street interview with Brawijaya University student to know their academic journey and campus experience. Would it be okay if I ask you a few questions? Okay. So, oh yeah, first of all, may I know your name and your major?
Okay, my name is Charirena Putri Kesanti and I'm a accounting student at FFUB.
Okay, nice to know you, Karirena. So, my first question is, why did you choose this Brawijaya University?
Because Brawijaya University is the one of the top 10 campus in Indonesia. The quality of education is very excellent and there are many outstanding alumni and there are plenty of activities that help students grow outside of academics.
Okay. And why did you choose this Faculty of Economic and Business?
Because Faculty of Economic and Business is aligned with what I interest since high school, especially it has superior accreditation, international achievement, and supportive learning facilities.
Okay. As I know before, you are accounting student, right?
Yeah,
Oh yeah. So why did you choose accounting as your major?
because accounting is aligned with what I studied and enjoyed since high school, and I interest with financial accounting, and I want to build career in that field.
Okay. So as we're both in FEBUB, do you find any impressive facility or infrastructure that you find impressive in here?
The beautiful buildings, the comfortable classrooms, clean environment, and the additional facilities that really support the learning process.
Okay. And my last question is, how would you describe your overall experience of being an accounting student at FEBUB?
Being an accounting student, it feels very challenging, like learning how to adapt the university life and dealing with courses and assignment and interacting with person from different backgrounds. But so far, it feels very exciting and has brought my knowledge and experience.
Okay, thank you very much for your time and answer. Have a nice day, Karina.
Hello guys, today I will interview student at FEBUB specific in accounting major. Okay, let's go. Hello, excuse me. Are you from accounting department?
Yes, I am.
Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ana Filmanatala and you can call me Ilman. And you?
My name is Maulida Mafira Azara. You can call me Maul.
Okay, Maul. May I interview you for my English class project?
Of course. Should I stand? Or?
Yes, stand. Okay, Maul. First question. Why did you choose Brawijaya University?
Actually, it's because it's close to my hometown. I come from Blitar, and it's not too far from here. It's around 2 hours of journey with your car, and it's actually my parents' decision to choose Brawijaya University. It makes my parents easier for them to check me out.
Okay. Next, why did you choose the Faculty of Economic and Business?
The reason is because there are some of the course around the social media that say Faculty of Economic and Business in Brawijaya University is pretty good, and it's also one of the top 10 universities in Indonesia, so that's why I chose this faculty.
Okay. I'm sure you have explored the Faculty of Economic and Business extensively by now. So, what facilities and infrastructure at FEBUB do you find impressive?
If you are talking about facilities, I think it's the Wi-Fi connection here.
Okay.
It's actually pretty fast, and
Yes.
if you are with some connections that connect really good, at some times maybe you should connect to the Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
If you're talking about the infrastructure, is the co-working space. There are a lot of study place to use here, and also the facilities is good. You get a room with air conditioner, and it's clean, and it's pretty neat.
Okay. So the last question: how would you describe the overall experience of being an accounting student at FEBUB?
Well, just like the majority of the student, I guess if you're talking as a accounting student, it could be pretty stressful.
Okay.
But if you find the right environment, the right friendships, and the right people around you that could support you too, then overall of the experience is good. It's pretty much good. I enjoy being here, and it's actually the kind of experience that I've been looking for.
Okay, that's all. Thank you for taking time for this interview, Maul. I will go first, yeah. Bye. See you next time.
Thank you.
Okay, hello guys. Today I will interview student at FEBUB specific in major accounting. Let's go. Hello.
Yeah.
Sorry, are you from the accounting department?
Yeah.
Okay, first of at all, let me introduce myself. My name is Anapil Manatala. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Treswa Yudi.
Okay. May I interview you for my English class project?
For sure. Maybe we can move in here.
Okay, okay.
So, what is the question?
First question. Why did you choose Brawijaya University?
Okay, what I did choose this university. Actually, this is my last choice university to
Okay.
being a student in this year.
Yeah.
And actually, Brawijaya University is quite a good university in Indonesia. Yeah. So from that, I choose Brawijaya University for my last choice in this year to be a student.
Okay. Next question. Why did you choose the Faculty of Economic of Business?
Actually, I choose Faculty of Economic and Business. I'm interested with economic. Actually, in consulting, actually, with why we must spend money in here or here
Okay.
or maybe another else, and we can learn, we can earn some passive income. I want to learn about that in this major.
Okay. I'm sure you have explored the Faculty of Economic of Business extensively by now. So, what facilities and infrastructure at FEB do you find impressive?
Also, I'm impressive with infrastructure in FEB. Maybe some working space, yeah. In this faculty, have a lot of working space, and that's quite good actually. Being a college student, have a lot of tasks actually, and the working space have a quite good experience for me because we can discuss with my friends about the tasks and maybe work some project with my friends in working space, and it's quite a good facilities in here faculty actually.
Okay, thank you for time for interview. I will go first. Okay, see you. Bye bye.